I, your host for this evening, Alina Coutinho, would like to extend a warm, warm welcome on this lovely, rainy, weekend approaching musical evening. Presenting to you Harmony on the Strings season. Louder. That's right. So we'll begin with our opening ceremony for today. So just to give you a little background about the Academy, Colin Powell, a former army officer and diplomat, once said, "A dream doesn't become reality through magic. It takes sweat, determination, and hard work." For me and many like me, these statements ring true. Every budding musician dreams one dream, one that includes performing live on a stage to an audience just like you. Big lights, as you can see, big sound systems, a perfect setting with a perfect musical concert. Today, the students of Dreams Music Academy are here with one such dream. How did we get this far? Where did it all begin? Most of you know, but for the ones who don't, I'd like to tell you about the inception of that dream. The inception of this dream goes back to a couple of decades, 1975 to be precise, when a young man, Mr. Francis Coutinho, my amazing father, and the founder of Dreams Music Academy, began teaching people to play the guitar at his humble home in Pimpri. Back then, there weren't any, or maybe just a very few music classes, but none of the everyday folks could learn at. From his unending love for music, my father dreamt of setting up a music academy, one where anyone with the love of music could learn, no barriers. In 1982, he finally founded Dreams Music Academy and named it so after his dream. With time, the number of students increased, and all this just by word of mouth, because as you all know, there was no social media, no fancy advertising. Soon he began teaching music to students, and he taught the harmonica, otherwise known as the mouth organ, and eventually the keyboard too. Now for the past 40 years, which is a very long time, my father has been living his dream and helping young people and upcoming artists bring their dreams to realization. So this is about him. How does the legacy move forward? In 2010, my brother, Mr. Alex Coutinho, decided to follow in my father's footsteps and began teaching drums and percussions at the academy. Together with the other music teachers, Jason and Shravan, they have upheld the vision to impart quality music education through the years. Each day, the students learn not only to develop and hone their individual music abilities, but also values and principles that will help them in the future. After months of guidance, learning, and many practice sessions and rehearsals, the students of Dreams Music Academy are here, as you rightly said, at the 12th Harmony on Strings concert to let their dreams take flight by presenting their musical talents and regale each and everyone present here this evening. So sit back, relax, fasten your seatbelts because you're about to witness a wonderful musical evening, and that's a promise. Give us a positive start for the evening. As tradition goes, we'll have the lighting of the lamp, which is onto my right. But I'd like to introduce our very special guest for this evening, who's none other than Dr. Suhas Hardas. Thank you. So we have a lot to share about you, and I'm going to try and do justice. Having completed his MBBS and MD from the prestigious BJ Medical College, Dr. Hardas went on to complete his DM from Grant Medical College, Mumbai. To quench his unending thirst for further education, he was thereafter awarded fellowship in interventional cardiology as well as electrophysiology and pacing in Australia. An accomplished international cardiologist, Dr. Hardas has been recognized with numerous academic, professional, and patient-driven awards. He has received much fame and recognition for performing and mastering groundbreaking procedures in the field of cardiology. A specialist in coronary angioplasties and interventions, he has successfully performed over 10,000 coronary angioplasties as an independent operator. That is a huge number. And that's even in the most complex cases. In fact, he's extensively trained in not just coronary interventions, but also electrophysiology and cardiac resynchronization. Dr. Hardas uses his dedication and God-given talent to take on seemingly impossible operations, which has led him to performing the highest number of post-MI VSD closures in the state of Maharashtra, among other feats. Practicing at premier medical institutions such as Ruby Hall Clinic and Pune Hospital, it was in early 2010 that Dr. Hardas established his flagship cardiac center, Hardas Heart Care. A holistic center, this facility caters to a range of cardiac ailments going beyond just medicine. Here, he is backed by a team of experienced specialists in every branch of cardiac care and rehabilitation. I, with most gratitude, request Dr. Hardas to please come on stage and give us a kickstart for the evening by lighting the lamp. Thank you, Doctor. Yes, ma'am couldn't be with us this evening, but thank you. If I could please, Doctor, request you to come on stage. That's Sarah. A little token of our love and appreciation. Mr. Francis Coutinho to extend a gesture of gratitude by presenting Dr. Hardas with a shawl. So while this happens, just something very special and personal I'd like to share, that the Coutinho family expresses profound gratitude to Dr. Hardas for his remarkable care and expertise. Twice, he courageously navigated Francis Sir through the intricate procedure of angioplasty. First in, which was your first one? 2015. To his exceptional medical skills, Dr. Hardas forged a special connection with Francis Sir during his hospital stays. Discovering a shared passion for music, Their bond transcends the traditional doctor-patient relationship, embodying a connection built on mutual respect, trust, and love for music. So thank you once again for gracing us with your presence. Yeah, thank you, Doctor.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I think we are looking forward to a beautiful evening full of lovely music and a lot of bond amongst all of you with people performing on the stage, because I am very certain there is a very specific reason why all of you are here. Only thing I wanted to tell you was that there are very, very few patients that I have established a very special bond with. And I think he's one of them. The entire family is like that, very loving. And I then realized that we had a special reason to bond, and that was music. And I feel music is so very important, because people call us healers, people call us people who treat patients. No, the truth of the matter is that if you look after yourself extremely well, if you indulge in good activities in your life, if your lifestyle is good, you do not have problems and diseases and disorders. And one such important thing is, please practice, please listen, please do something about music, at least half an hour every day, and that keeps your adrenaline levels low, your endorphin levels big. Now what are these? These are the hormones which are useful to your body. So please make sure that involve yourself in music for half an hour every day, and you will be fine. So wish you all the best, Kutino family. You are very dear to my heart, and I wish a great success to the academy and all the children performing here. Thank you very much.
Just to tell you, doctor has a beautiful voice, बहुत बढ़िया गाते हैं, and he plays very nice mouth organ also.
Let's welcome our second guest of honor for this evening. That's Mr. Vijay Bise. Mr. Bise is the founding chairman of the Pimpri Chinchwad Cultural Foundation, the district president of the BJP Cultural Wing, and he was also the former president of Lions Club Pune. He is honored with multiple awards in the fields like Social Excellence by the National Human Resource Development Organization, Pride of Maharashtra by the Bhagyashree Films and Publicity Pune, Best President of the Lions Club Chinchwad area. I kindly request Mr. Bise to please come on the stage and light the lamp for us. Thank you, sir. If I could request you to please come center stage. Claps, please. And I request Francis, sir, to present Mr. Bise with the shawl. Thank you, sir, for gracing us with your presence today.
गुड इव्हनिंग फ्रेंड्स. खूप छान वाटतं इथे आज. आणि जसं डॉक्टर हरदासने सांगितलं आता इथे की ते एक डॉक्टर आहेत, कार्डिओलॉजिस्ट आहेत, आणि त्यांनी म्युझिकचं महत्त्व या ठिकाणी विशद केलं. आणि खरंच संगीत असेल, आर्ट अँड कल्चरमध्ये माणूस व्यस्त असेल तर जास्त अँजिओप्लास्टी करावं लागणार नाही. जास्त संगीत ऐकता, गाणी ऐका, कार्यक्रम ऐकता. तर मी तेच काम करतो आहे. जसं डॉक्टर ऑपरेट करतात, मी लोकांना ट्रीट करतो की बाबा गाणी ऐका, मजा मस्ती करा, जरा थोडं स्वतःच्या छंदांना वेळ द्या, आपल्या आवडीनिवडींना वेळ द्या. तर पिंपरी चिंचवडमध्ये मी गेली 4-5 वर्ष एक फाउंडेशन चालू केलेलं आहे, पिंपरी चिंचवड कल्चरल फाउंडेशन. तो हाच त्याचा हेतू आहे की लोकांनी गाणी ऐकली पाहिजे, स्वतःला थोडंसं एक्सप्रेस केलं पाहिजे, स्वतःनी काहीतरी आपल्यात जे आहे ते दाखवलं पाहिजे. यातून खूप आनंद मिळतो. जसं डॉक्टर म्हणले की काही हार्मोन सिक्रेट होतात, ते फार गरजेचे आहेत. तर ते नक्कीच आपण करूया. माझं फाउंडेशन तेच करतं. मी इथं लोकांना प्रमोट करतो, लोकांना प्रेरणा देतो, प्रोत्साहन देतो. दरवर्षी माझ्या फाउंडेशनतर्फे एक पुरस्कार दिला जातो, कलाविभूषण पुरस्कार. आता 1 मेला याच फाउंडेशनमध्ये, याच व्यासपीठावरती 1 मेला आपली एक जुनी मराठी अभिनेत्री आहे मृणालदेव कुलकर्णी, हिचं या ठिकाणी फेलिसिटेशन झालं. तिला एक कलाविभूषण पुरस्कार दिला माझ्या फाउंडेशनने आणि तिच्याशी संवाद साधण्याचा पण मला वेळ मिळाला. याच्या आधी नागराज मंजुळेंना केलं, त्याच्या आधी आपली चिंचवडची सावणी रवींद्रला केलं आणि आपल्यातले जे कोण अजून तयार होतील त्यांनाही मला आवडेल की माझ्या फाउंडेशन त्यांना नेहमीच त्यांना प्रमोट करेल. थँक्यू सो मच.
Today's event holds special significance as we honor a remarkable individual who stood as one of India's most accomplished drummers. His journey commenced as a violinist, collaborating with renowned music directors such as Lakshmikant Pyarelal, Kalyanji Anandji, Sahil Chaudhary, Vasant Desai, and Shankar Jaikishan. However, it was the rhythmic allure of the drums that truly captivated his soul. Even though he initially experimented with the instrument during stage performances for C. Ramchandra in the mid-1970s. It was there that great R.D. Burman spotted him and invited him to join his group of musicians. One thing led to another, and after recording the title song of the 1978 film Kasme Wade, R.D. Burman told senior team member K.C. Lord to sign him for 6 months. R.D. Burman's team already had ace drummers like Bougie Lord, Leslie Godino, and Trilok Gurtu. The stint with R.D. Burman produced gems like Shalimar from 1978, Shan 1980, Rocky 1981, and Sagar 1987. His work in one of the most beautiful movies, Kayamat Se Kayamat Tak, with Anand Milind, and also the movie Dil To Pagal Hai with director Uttam Singh, garnered applause. And he went on to work with young music directors like Amit Trivedi and Shantanu Moitra too. In 2014, he established the Truckadoom Institute of Drums and Percussions in Mumbai, dedicated to nurturing young talents in both Western and Bollywood drumming styles. Among those influenced by his expertise was none other than Alex, who refined his drumming skills under his mentorship. So we're talking about none other than Mr. Franco Vaz. We're very sad that he passed away on February 7th in Mumbai this year at the age of 67. Harmony on the Strings 12 is dedicated to Mr. Franco Vaz, and we've selected a few songs featuring his remarkable work. Thank you. So before we get on to the musical roller coasters, you need to know who's driving these roller coasters. We've got a lot of them, some big, adults, and some very tiny tots, some who are, like I say every year, they're even smaller than the actual instruments that they play. They'll play the drums and you think there's no one behind, but there is somebody playing it, or the keyboard, okay? So put your hands together for our guitarists. I'm going to name them. Angela Varnekar, Anuj Adak, Arjun Kale, Arnav Gajinkar, Fabian Coutinho, Geeta Kopad. Oh, I'm sorry, I said it too fast. I'll let you all come in. Keep clapping. Hari Priya Avat, Harshal Deshpande, Kapish Adavle, Nirvi Ichake, Prathamesh Shahane, Rajveer Singh, Roshan Kulkarni, Ryan Das, Saket Deshmukh, Saurabh Kathole, Shantanu Shinde, Shivam Sharma. Louder, thank you so much. Shlok Kavade, Vedant Kadlaskar, Vedant Naganawar, three Vedants, Vedant Singh, Vidya Legade, and William Wernicker. Those, ladies and gentlemen, are our guitarists for this evening, all looking smart, dressed in white. And they'll pose for a quick, nice picture. Up next, I'd like to introduce our keyboardists for this evening. Abhijit Varhade, Anay Gaikwad, Anay Kakurdikar, Arnav Kurpe, Arohi Legade, Avnish Thakre, Avni Shelke, Bharati Dhamale, Bhavesh Ghatol, Dimple Adak, Gauri Mishra, George Zakaria, Prisha Nahar, Sanvi Mane, Samyak Sambut, Sara Bijani, Sharon Swami, Suryat Deshmukh, Veda Kulkarni, Vedika Varade, Veena Coutinho, and Vivan Nahar. These are our keyboardists, again dressed in white, looking all smart. Pose for a nice quick picture. Presenting the people who add the oomph in music, our drummers and percussionists. Welcoming Abhijit Puranik. Keep those claps coming. Okay, the dress code here is different, it's black. Chetan Agarwal, Kapish Sharma, Rayansh Puranik, Rohit Thakre. I rest my case. Samuel Avare, Sridhar Dinesh, and Vinay Vajirkar. A loud round of applause for them. Okay, quick pose for our drummers. Our drummers in black. Thank you. So like I was saying, I missed this, and I don't know how, but yeah, last but by no means least, we've got one-man army on the harmonica, which is a very unusual instrument to play, and all the more unusual because you've got a lady who's playing that. So, Lady of Steel, Mrs. Manjari Deshpande, a big round of applause for her. We've got the title, which is called The Harmony on Strings. So tell you a little about this lovely piece that's going to come up. In 1971, Francis Coutinho crafted the title for his orchestra, Rhythm Makers, and it has since become the signature opening theme for all their performances. Now, after much anticipation, the talented students of Coutinho's Dreams Music Academy proudly present Harmony on Strings Season 12. Your claps will tell me whether you like this game or not. So will you? Okay, that's lovely. So that was a wonderful performance by our students. Thank you so much. You all did great. And a lovely little piece there on the drums by none other than Alex sir. So we move on to the first song of the evening. And I have to say a special thank you because I know who sets the entire flow. And that's Alex. Alex, thank you for picking this song. And you'll know why I'm saying thank you. How many Salman Khan fans in the house? Okay, okay. Doctor, I saw your hand and I'm so happy. I'd put both my hands up because I am a big, big Salman fan and Alex knows that. Again, can I see those hands? I missed the ones on top. Okay, good, good. We are a good number. Okay, so our opening song for tonight hails from the movie that marked the inception of Salman Khan's iconic trend. Do we know what Salman Khan is famous for? What is Salman Khan famous for? His shirtless trend. Okay, so he was directed by his brother Sohail Khan, and the film was originally named Jannat, featuring another Khan brother Arbaz Khan sharing the screen with Salman for the very first time. So reflecting on the vibrant music scene of the 1990s, that's the era that I'm hoping most of us grew up in. This era saw a surge in the popularity of renowned music directors such as A.R. Rahman, Nadeem Shravan, Anu Malik, and Jatin Lalit, whose timeless melodies still resonate today. Moreover, legendary singers like Kumar Sanu, Alka Yagnik, Sonu Nigam, and Udit Narayan, they rose to prominence during this era. Adding to the enduring allure music of the 90s, without further ado, we present to you our first song, embodying the nostalgic charm of the 90s. On the vocals, we've got Vijay, who's been with us for a long time. Let's hear it for Vijay. The song, ladies and gentlemen, any guesses? It's not Oh Oh Jane Jana, but it's from that movie. Yes, Lavina, I heard you. Deewana Mein Chala from Pyar Kiya To Darna Kya from the year 1998. Music directors are Jatin Lalit. And also, the drums for this song were originally played by Franco Vaz. I hope you enjoyed this and all the best, students.
दीवाना मैं चला उसे ढूंढने बड़े प्यार से, दीवाना मैं चला उसे ढूंढने बड़े प्यार से, दीवाना मैं चला उसके घर का पता ए हवा तू बता, दीवाना मैं चला उसे ढूंढने बड़े प्यार से, दीवाना मैं चला। है समा क्या आसमां, मस्ती में है सारा जहां, खिला खिला है मौसम, क्या है समा क्या आसमां, मस्ती में है सारा जहां, खिला खिला है मौसम, ये फिजा संदली, ये घटा मंचली, दीवाना मैं चला उसे ढूंढने बड़े प्यार से, दीवाना मैं चला। शर्माएगी घबराएगी फिर वो मेरे पास आएगी, उसे न जाने दूंगा। हाय शर्माएगी घबराएगी फिर वो मेरे पास आएगी, उसे न जाने दूंगा। इस ओट के तले हम मिलेंगे गले, दीवाना मैं चला उसे ढूंढने बड़े प्यार से, दीवाना मैं चला उसके घर का पता है हवा तू बता, दीवाना मैं चला उसे ढूंढने बड़े प्यार से, दीवाना मैं चला, दीवाना मैं चला, दीवाना मैं चला।
A nice little introduction to the next song. I take special joy and pride because I come from a musical family. My dad's a musician, my brother's a musician, and so is my mom. And I'm hoping one day my daughter gets to be a musician too. But it's got its own shares. Yes, I hope so too. So it's got its own share of experiences. I remember when people come over to dad for inquiries, used to at least, now I stay away. So dad used to ask them, which song do you want to play first? Can you guess there are these two famous songs that every guitarist wants to learn first. The first one, I'll tell you, is Summer of '69. What do you think is the second song? Yes, louder. Neele Neele Ambar Pe, that's the one. So that's the song coming up on this lovely rainy evening. So to tell you a little about this song, Neele Neele Ambar Pe was composed by Kalyanji Anandji and sung by the legendary Kishore Kumar. This is for the 1993 film Kalakar. Interestingly, it draws inspiration from the Tamil track Ilaya Neela, composed by Ilayaraja and sung by S.P. Balasubramaniam for the 1982 film, and I'm going to try and do justice to this pronunciation, Payanangal Mudivattalai. I did my homework. When Kishore Kumar, then just 53, lent his vocals to a mere 22-year-old Kunal Goswami, who's the son of none other than actor Manoj Kumar. He adapted his voice to match the young protagonist, a budding singer in the movie. So that's the magic of Kishore Kumar. The song's distinctive guitar melodies, originally played by veteran guitarist Sunil Kaushik, truly set it apart. And now, we have a special performance by our talented young guitarists aiming to recreate those intricate guitar parts that made the song truly unforgettable. So presenting Neele Neele Ambar Pe from the movie Kalakar from 1983. Music directors, none other than Kalyanji Anandji. On vocals, let's hear it for Bhargava.
प्यासा प्यासा अंबर जब छूता है सागर को, ऊंचे ऊंचे पर्वत जब छूते हैं अंबर को, प्यासा प्यासा अंबर जब छूता है सागर को। प्यार से कसने को, बाहों में बसने को, दिल मेरा ललचाए, कोई तो आ जाए। ऐसा कोई साथी हो, ऐसा कोई प्रेमी हो, प्यास दिल की बुझा जाए। नीले नीले अंबर पर चांद जब आए, प्यार बरसाए, हमको तरसाए। ला 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 ला।
Round of applause again for the ladies. Once more. Okay, we've got a few more, but I will take that request to Alex or Dad and see what we can do. So the next bit, it's quiz time, so it requires for me to come down or the stage track that we're going to play. And the person who puts their hand up first is going to win this little gift that I have here. So are we ready? Yes? Okay, let's hear the track.
You were so friendly and they were so kind to me. We tried to make them happy. If you see Kenny, he was so crazy, he wanted to have
Okay, thank you.
जरूरत है जरूरत है जरूरत है.
Okay, that, I'm sorry, is the wrong answer, but then I had the ma'am there in black who put her hand up and I saw that. Yes, could you pass the mic on?
स्वाति शाणे, कभी ना कभी किसी न किसी से दिल लगाना पड़ेगा.
That is the correct answer. Swati ma'am, here's your gift. Let's hear it for her. Year was 1964. Music director O.P. Nair. On vocals, we've got Vijay. So to tell you a little about it, Shankar Jaikishan were initially set to compose the film's music. However, at Shammi Kapoor's suggestion, veteran composer O.P. Nair invited Shakti Samanta to listen to some tunes. Samantha liked what he heard, and eventually 12 songs were selected for the film. Presenting to you, Kahi Na Kahi Dil Lagana Padega.
किसी न किसी से कभी न कभी कहीं न कहीं दिल लगाना पड़ेगा. किसी न किसी से कभी न कभी कहीं न कहीं दिल लगाना पड़ेगा. एक से एक हंसी चेहरे हैं, किस किस को मैं देखूं, किसी को इनमें अपना समझूं, संग में अपने ले लूं. कोई रंगीली छेल छबीली, कोई रंगीली रसीली छेल छबीली आज मेरी जिंदगी में आके रहेगी. किसी न किसी से कभी न कभी कहीं न कहीं दिल लगाना पड़ेगा. किसी न किसी से कभी न कभी कहीं न कहीं दिल लगाना पड़ेगा. ढूंढ रहा हूँ मैं वो दुनिया प्यार जिसे कहते हैं. ढूंढ रहा हूँ मैं वो दुनिया प्यार जिसे कहते हैं. कौन तो किस्मत वाले हैं जो लोग वहाँ रहते हैं. मुझको मेरे दिल लेके वहीं चल, मुझको मेरे दिल लेके वहीं चल. आए जहाँ हाथ कोई रेशमी आंचल. किसी न किसी से कभी न कभी कहीं न कहीं दिल लगाना पड़ेगा. किसी न किसी से कभी न कभी कहीं न कहीं दिल लगाना पड़ेगा. Thank you.
And I deeply apologize, our friend sitting in the balcony. The next quiz question will be for you. Okay, so for any music concert, It's often said that no performance is complete or no musical evening is complete without any composition by none other than the great R.D. Burman. His collaboration with lyricist and director Gulzar began with the film Parichay in 1972. This gave us memorable songs like Beeti Na Bitaye Rehna and Musafir Ho Yaro. Over the years, their partnership flourished, culminating in the 1975 masterpiece Andi. Each song in this movie is a testament to R.D. Burman's enduring legacy. From Tere Bina Zindagi Se Koi to Is Mode Se Aate Hain and Salam Kijiye, every melody resonates with audiences even today, ensuring that R.D. Burman lives through us in his music. So again, a little before I tell you the name of the song, I was just going through some music quotes so I can throw them a little here and there. And I came across this quote which said, when you're happy, you enjoy music. But when you're sad, you enjoy the lyrics. And I was like, I hope Alex has put a song that does justice to this quote. And this is the one. Listen to the lyrics very, very carefully. The song is Tum Aa Gaye Ho, Noor Aa Gaya Hai from the movie Andi, 1975. Music director, like I told you, none other than the great Rahul Dev Burman. On vocals, we've got Sai Shreya and Tanmay. Let's hear it for them, friends.
तुम आ गए हो, नूर आ गया है। तुम आ गए हो, नूर आ गया है। नहीं तो चरागों से लो जा रही थी। कहाँ से चले कहाँ के लिए ये खबर नहीं थी, मगर कोई भी सिरा जहाँ जा मिला वहीं तुम मिलोगे। कहाँ से चले कहाँ के लिए ये खबर नहीं थी, मगर कोई भी सिरा जहाँ जा मिला वहीं तुम मिलोगे। कि हम तक तुम्हारी जुआ आ रही थी। तुम आ गए हो, नूर आ गया है।
नहीं तो चरागों से लो जा रही थी। तुम आ गए हो, नूर आ गया है। जहाँ से तुम्हारी सदा
कि तुमसे वजह मिल गई है, बड़ी बेवजह जिंदगी जा रही थी, तुम आ गए हो।
नूर आ गया है।
Thank you for that lovely song. That was indeed soulful. Okay, so moving on now from Bollywood to our very own Apla Maharashtra. So transitioning from Bollywood to the realm of Marathi cinema, we encounter a musical landscape deeply intertwined with folk melodies, traditional dances, devotional tunes, and the essence of Marathi theatre. At the forefront of this cultural fusion stands the dynamic duo, the very famous Ajay and Atul. Any Ajay Atul fans here? Yes. So I know they were in Pune recently and I couldn't go, but they are known for their lovely orchestras and their wonderful music. So their musical journey took flight with the iconic Man Udhan Varyache from the film Agabai Arecha, a track that redefined Marathi film music. What sets them apart is their unparalleled ability to infuse freshness into every composition, consistently pushing the boundaries of creativity. Their contributions have certainly garnered them widespread acclaim and admiration, rightfully earning them a place of reverence in Marathi music. So now let's uncover one of their finest hidden gems. Any guesses for which song? Yes, Varyavarti Gandh Pasarla from the 2004 movie Savar Khed Ek Gaon. Music directors, none other than Ajay Atul. On vocals, we've got Shantanu. Let's hear it for him, ladies and gentlemen. And our performers as well. All the best.
वाऱ्यावरती गंध पसरला ना ते मनाच, मातीमध्ये दरवळणारे हे गाव माझं. वाऱ्यावरती गंध पसरला ना ते मनाच, मातीमध्ये दरवळणारे हे गाव माझं. संतोष आहे आता उदारलेला, सरदुःख झाला मनी छेडलेला. शाळेला पहाटे कसे सावरावे, वाऱ्यावरती गंध पसरला ना ते मनाच, मातीमध्ये दरवळणारे हे गाव माझं. स्वप्नातले गाव माझ्या पुढे, दिवसाचा पक्षी अलगद उडे. बांगीच्या अंगावरती चिमणी चिमचिमणारी, झाडातले सगळे सोयरे. हा गाव माझा जुना आठवाचा, नागात हसऱ्या त्या वाहत्या नदीचा. ढगात पाऊस कसे साठवावे, खडकाची माया कशी पासरे बेटीच्या ओढीसाठी श्वासाचे सुंदर हाते शब्द हे गाणे नवे ही वेळ आहे मला गोठणारी ही धुंद नाती गंधावणारी पुन्हा एकदा उरी भेटता कसे आवरावे वाऱ्यावरती गंध पसरला ना ते मनाचे मातीमध्ये दरवळणारे हे गाव माझे वाऱ्यावरती गंध पसरला ना ते मनाचे मातीमध्ये दरवळणारे हे गाव माझे जल्लोष आहे आता उधाळलेला स्वरधुंद झाला मनी छेडलेला शहारलेला उभाणले कसे सावरावे
Let's take you back to Bollywood and let's go a little further back in time. Let's rewind to 1962. That's an era that was dominated by legendary singers like Kishore Kumar, Mohammad Rafi, Talat Mahmood, Manna Dey, Mukesh, and a select few others who reigned supreme, captivating audiences with their melodic masterpieces. Amidst this musical galaxy, one multi-talented artist shone brightly. And you've got to guess the name for this one, so listen carefully. Straddling the worlds of Bengali and Hindi cinema effortlessly as a singer, music director, composer, and film producer. This person was born in Varanasi in 1920. He initially pursued engineering, but he abandoned it to follow his passion for music, making his debut at the All India Radio Calcutta at the tender age of 13 in the year 1933. His journey as a music director commenced in 1952 with the Hindi film Anand Mat. With the patriotic composition of Vande Mataram, Lata Mangeshkar struck a patriotic chord resonating deeply with the masses. This pivotal moment marked the start of his illustrious career, which saw him earn widespread acclaim for music contributions to renowned Hindi films like Jagriti, 20 Saal Baad, and Khamoshi. Any guesses to, I can see this small little girl raise her hand. Do you know who I'm talking about? You raised your hand? Okay, no problem. But do you want to guess? I'm sure you were not born at the time. Okay, anyone from this side? I see the gentleman there in the white shirt. Yes, sir? Absolutely right. Hemant Kumar, I'll come over to give you your prize in a bit. That's correct. Let's hear it for him. The song is Bekarar Karke Hame Yu Na Jaiye from the movie 20 Saal Baad. Year was 1962. On the vocals, we've got Vijay. And I'd like to make a special mention here. So the youngest drummer in our academy. Let's hear it for Reyansh Puranik. Can you see him? Balcony, I'm sure you can. Can you all see him, people sitting here? You all will have to stand. Let's hear it again for him. He's only 7 years old. Oh my God. And is going to play the drums on this song. But he's not alone. He's playing it along with his father, Abhijit, on percussions. Let's hear it for them. And we have lovely mommy ready with the video there. All the best. I hope you enjoy this one.
बेकरार करके हमें यूं न जाइए, आपको हमारी कसम लौट आइए। बेकरार करके हमें यूं न जाइए, आप तो हमारी कसम लौट आइए। देखिए वो काली काली बदलियाँ जुल्फ की घटा चुरा न ले कहीं, चोरी चोरी आके शौक बिजलियाँ, आपकी अदा चुरा न ले कहीं। यूं कदम अकेले न आगे बढ़ाइए, आपको हमारी कसम लौट आइए। बेकरार करके हमें यूं न जाइए, आपको हमारी कसम लौट आइए। देखिए गुलाब की वो डालियाँ, बढ़ के चूम लेना आपके कदम। देखिए गुलाब की वो डालियाँ, बढ़ के चूम लेना आपके कदम। खोए खोए भोर भी है बाग में, कोई आपको बना न दे सनम। बहकी बहकी नजरों से खुद को बचाइए, आपको हमारी कसम लौट आइए। बेकरार करके हमें यूं न जाइए, आपको हमारी कसम लौट आइए। जिंदगी के रास्ते अजीब है, इनमें इस तरह चला न कीजिए। खैर है इसी में आपकी हुजूर, अपना कोई साथी ढूंढ लीजिए। सुन के दिल की बात यूं न मुस्कुराइए, आपको हमारी कसम लौट आइए। बेकरार करके हमें यूं न जाइए, आपको हमारी कसम लौट आइए। बेकरार करके हमें यूं न जाइए, आपको हमारी कसम लौट आइए।
Happy. Let's hear it for all our students. But I want to ask a very special question. Reyansh, come here. Feel?
Nice.
Okay, great. You're a real inspiration. Okay, so keep up the good work. But I want Reyansh's mom to tell us how she feels. You'll have to shout out because. How do you feel, ma'am? All right. So thank you for all your support, and because of which he was able to perform today, and of course his dad as well. So good job. Keep up the good work. Thank you. Okay. So before the next song, it is now quiz time. Balcony, I have not forgotten about you. And the sir in the white shirt who answered. All right, let's hear it for him. Thank you. Okay, so I have 6 questions, all based from one movie itself. So we'll go balcony, ground floor, balcony, ground floor. Is that fair, Kunal? There you are. Okay. So you've got to answer these questions correctly and win not a prize, but prizes. It's about the movie Tare Zameen Par. Everyone seen that movie? Yes. Okay. So as we all know, Darshil Safri played the role of Ishan Awasthi, and Amir Khan played Ram Nikum. So here are a few questions to test your memory about the movie. So shush, no prompting. The first questions to balcony. I'll give you options also, so it'll be easier for you to choose. Your first question is Ishan's mother and brother called him Dash. Option A, Bubu, Shani, Inu or Ishi. There was this one lady there in the red, I heard her say Inu. Yes, you can come down and collect your prize, only if I had wings and I could give you. Come down, ma'am. Okay, we're moving to ground floor. fastest finger first, like fastest hand first, whoever puts their hand up first and gives me the correct answer. What did Ishan's father bring him from the business trip? Your options are candies, strawberries, watercolors, or guppies. Yes, that little girl there. Strawberries is the correct answer. Come and collect your gift. All right. Balcony, are you ready? I can't hear you all. Okay. What is or was the name of the boarding school to which Ishan was sent? Future Dawn, Hyro? Huh? Oh my God, you know the questions, no? The paper's been leaked. New Era High School. What's your name? He's from New Era High School. He's from Panchgani, okay. What's your name, young man? Okay, come and collect your gift. Hi, your gift is here. What's your name?
Anaya.
Anaya, you answered correctly. You like strawberries?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. We don't have strawberries, but we've got a gift for you. Here's your gift. Thank you. Coming down to ground floor. This one's a little tricky, okay? So listen carefully. Ram Nikum quoted the following. A cynic knows the price of everything and the value of nothing. He said this to the principal of the boarding school. Whose quote is it? Without options, I can see hands up. No, okay. Your options are Albert Einstein, Mahatma Gandhi, Oscar Wilde, Ralph Emerson. Yes, the girl there in the white shirt. Come, Oscar Wilde is the correct answer. Thank you. Hi, Count, tell us your name.
Niral.
There you go, Neeral. Thank you. Okay, one last question there. This one's for balcony. Which Hindu festival took place right before Ishan was sent to boarding school? Holi, Navratri, Bihu, or Diwali? The boy in the black shirt who's got his hand up. What's your name? Come collect your gift. Yes, it was Diwali. Thank you so much for participating. You'll all know your movies and the trivia really well. Just another trivia is that Salman Khan, it was Salman Khan who suggested Tare Zameen Pe to be the title of the movie. Now, I didn't know that being a Salman fan, but yeah, good to know. So the next song is, of course, from the movie Tare Zameen Pe that we've been going on about. The song is Kholo Kholo Darwaze, 2007 movie. Music directors, Shankar Ehsaan and Loy. On the vocals, we've got Bhargav. Let's hear it for him.
खोलो खोलो दरवाजे पर्दे करो किनारे खोटे से बंद है हवा मिल के छुड़ाओ सारे
Come on, Olivia. Let me see your hands in the air.
पतंग लेके अपने ही रंग लेके आसमां का शमियाना आज हमें है सजाना तू इस कदर हैरान तू मौसम का है मेहमान तू दुनिया सजी तेरे लिए खुद को जरा पहचान तू धूप है झम से बिखर तू है नदी ओ बेखबर बह चल कहीं उड़ चल कहीं दिल खुश जहां तेरी तो मंजिल है वही क्यों इसका हैरान तू मौसम का है मेहमान तू बस जिंदगी ताज़ी ताज़ी हंसने को राजी करूँ मगर सारी अभी अभी है उतारी जिंदगी तो है बताशा मीठी मीठी सी है आशा चक ले रख ले हथेली से ढक ले इसे तुझ में अगर प्यास है बारिश का घर भी पास है रोके तुझे कोई क्यों भला संग संग तेरे आकाश है तू धूप है झम से बिखर तू है नदी ओ बेखबर बह चल गई उड़ चल गई दिल खुश जहां तेरी तो मंजिल है खुल गया आसमां का रास्ता देखो खुल गया मिल गया खो गया था जो सितारा मिल गया रोशन हुई सारी जमीन जगमग हुआ सारा जहां उड़ने को तू आजाद है बंधन कोई अब है कहाँ तू धूप है जम से बिखर तू है लगी ओ बेखबर बह चल गई उड़ चल गई दिल खुश जहां तेरी तो मंजिल है तू इस कदर हैरान तू मौसम का है मेहमान तू
Back. Okay, so the next song is a song that I think last year most of us have played on loop. I will let that suspense create. So it's a song that amassed over 500 million views on YouTube, earning the title of the most watched Coke Studio music ever. No prizes for this one, so just guess. Absolutely, Pasuri. But to tell you a little about it, Pasuri means dilemma or a state of chaos in Punjabi. This composition by Ali Sethi is a testament to his profound creativity and cultural insight. Sethi's inspiration for the song came from a simple yet impactful encounter with the phrase, Aag lavan teri majboori nu, written at the back of a Punjabi truck. Moved by its depth, he penned the line, Aan jaan di pasuri nu, a reflection on the enduring nature of life's trials. Seeking to blend classical and contemporary elements seamlessly, Sethi crafted a masterpiece that resonates across borders. The song's global resonance can be attributed to its masterful fusion of Turkic, Indic, Arabic, Persian, and universal rhythms, coupled with its exploration of themes such as separation, heartbreak, self-discovery, expression, and acceptance. Presenting to you Pasuri from MTV Coke Studio, Season 14 from the year 2022. Songwriters are Ali Sethi and Fazil Abbas. On vocals, let's hear it for Sai, Shreya, and Bhargava. But a special mention that we've got a special performance by Kapish Sharma. Let's hear it for him. Okay, come Kapish. So, any guesses as to what he's going to be doing? He's going to be beatboxing. So we would like you to give us a little demo and tell us about what beatboxing is.
मजबूरी नू आण जान के कसूरी नू जहर बने आ तेरी जी जावा मैं पूरी नू आना सियों नहीं आया दिल बाग बाग मेरा टकराया कागा बोल के दस जावे आवा क्यों जी छुरी नू रावा बाबा चुनू लुकव कोई मैनू ना रोके मेरे ढोल जुटाई आखी तेन खबर किवें होवे आ जावे
To go once more. Yes, can I hear it louder? Okay, yes, all right, all the best.
मेरे
चूड़ी नू जहर बने हाँ तेरी पी जावा मैं पूरी नू रावा चुनू लुकाव कोई मैनू ना
Everybody sing with us.
मेरे डोल जुदाइयां दी तेनू खबर जुड़े होवे आ जावे दिल तेरा पूरा भी ना होवे हाँ बनिया बनाइया दी कल बात किवे होवे आ जावे दिल तेरा पूरा भी ना होवे पूरा भी ना होवे पूरा भी ना होवे
Hear it for our performers. They were brilliant, and I know you were enjoying it because I could hear you sway with your hands, etc. All right, so MTV Coke Studios, gear up because students of Dreams Music Academy are just genius. We recreated that magic. They're on probably season 14 or 15. We're not far behind. We're in season? Perfect, thank you. On that note, that brings us to the end of the first half of this musical roller coaster. We'll take a quick 20-minute interval to freshen up and for our superheroes there to come back with more energy and passion. So we'll see you on the other side of the break. Thank you.